Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we have this Rubik's cube. I just bought this cube, I mean it's brand new, and believe me, this is the worst cube I ever have. Let me just show you in a minute. You see, it's very difficult to turn the sides and like that. This is my own cube, which I think is a lot better. As you can see, it's so fast and much easy to use. Since this cube is so bad, I have idea I should conduct a little bit of experiment on it. I'll tell you about that in a minute. So I would be using this box. I would fill it up with water and then place the cube inside it. When that's done, I will then put the box in the freezer for 2 days. Then I'm going to open and I'll continue the rest of the video. So I have the water over here and let's pour it. That's done. Now we're going to place the cube. I think we need more water. Yes. The cube is in water, and now we have the lid over here, which, yes, that's that. Well guys, 2 days have passed and now let's open this box. You can see there is ice all around this box and the cube is stuck. So now I'm just going to break this by this hammer. No, there's still some ice left on the squeeze. Okay. Well, now the cube is not moving in any position. This is useless. I'll give my cameraman a try. It's stuck now?
Yes.
Now, even though I dipped it in water to melt the ice, but still not moving. And also some of the stickers that started to peel off and are tearing. So the only option is now left to drop it to break the ice. So 3, 2, 1. That made no effect, so let's try it again. Still nothing. The only option now is left is to break it with the hammer. 3, 2, 1. Shoot. Now you can see this is the ice that was making the cube unfunctional, and there's a lot of it, so we have to break that also. I have smashed the cube with the hammer very lightly, but you can see the result. So I think we have broken. So guys, I will try my best to fix this cube, and if I have, I will put it in my next video and tell you how I repaired it. Till then, please make sure to subscribe and like.